Products. It's a dream for many, winning the lottery. But for a shocking 90% of winners, that dream quickly turns into a nightmare, leaving them broke or even worse off than before. Products. How is it possible that millions or even hundreds of millions can vanish so quickly? The reasons are complex, rooted deeply in human behavior and the sudden shock of immense wealth. Products. Today, we're dissecting the common pitfalls and psychological traps that turn a lottery win into a financial downfall, preventing others from repeating these devastating mistakes. Let's explore 7 critical points. Products. Point number 1. Many winners lack basic financial literacy. Managing millions isn't like managing a paycheck. Without understanding investments, taxes, or budgeting, even a vast sum can quickly dwindle. Products. The sheer scale of the money can be overwhelming. People accustomed to working for every penny suddenly have more than they can comprehend, leading to irrational decisions and poor management. Products. Without knowledge of diversified portfolios, budgeting, or long-term financial planning, winners often make high-risk investments, chasing quick returns, or fall prey to scams promising easy profits. Products. Many overlook the substantial tax implications of their winnings or underestimate the ongoing expenses of a sudden lavish lifestyle. Property taxes, maintenance, and higher insurance premiums become crippling. Products. Without a solid financial plan, the initial euphoria often leads to impulse buying. Expensive cars, massive houses, designer clothes, purchased without considering the long-term carrying costs. Products. Many winners avoid seeking professional financial advice, perhaps due to distrust or simply not knowing who to turn to. A reputable team is crucial for managing such a large sum responsibly. Products. Even with millions, poor financial decisions lead to debt. Loans against future lump sums, overdrawn accounts from unchecked spending, or mortgages on properties they can't genuinely afford. Products. Without understanding the need for an emergency fund or a diversified portfolio, winners' cash reserves often dry up. They find themselves cash poor, even with substantial assets. Products. Point number 2. Many lottery winners experience sudden wealth syndrome. This psychological phenomenon includes guilt, anxiety, confusion, and isolation, leading to destructive coping mechanisms. Products. Winners often struggle with their new identity. They were once a regular person, now they're the lottery winner. This shift can be disorienting, causing them to lose sight of who they are. Products. Guilt over having so much when others have little, or shame over their sudden fortune, can be potent drivers of self-sabotage, pushing them to spend recklessly to relieve these burdens. Products. New wealth can alienate old friends and attract new, often opportunistic ones. This can lead to profound loneliness and a sense of isolation, despite being surrounded by luxury. Products. For many, their job provides purpose and routine. With financial freedom, this structure disappears, leaving a void that often gets filled with aimless spending or destructive habits. Products. The thrill of new purchases quickly fades. What once brought joy becomes the new normal, leading to a constant pursuit of even greater thrills, often resulting in irresponsible spending. Products. The stress and emptiness of new wealth can drive winners to unhealthy coping mechanisms, excessive gambling, substance abuse, or other addictions, further eroding their financial stability. Products. The perception of limitless funds can foster recklessness. Winners might take unnecessary risks, abandon caution, or simply stop caring about the financial consequences of their actions. Products. Point number 3. Relying on poor or self-serving advice. Upon winning, many will descend, offering everything from surefire investments to outright scams. Identifying genuine help is difficult. Products. Family, friends, and even strangers can suddenly appear, with elaborate plans for Leo's money, from business ideas to personal emergencies, pressuring him for loans or investments. Products. Not all financial advisors are created equal. Some may be inexperienced, offering generic advice, while others might push products that benefit them more than the lottery winner. Products. Lottery winners become prime targets for elaborate scams. From fake charities to investment cons, their newfound wealth makes them vulnerable to sophisticated schemes designed to strip them of their money. Products. Many winners decide to start businesses without experience or proper research. Believing their money can buy success, they invest in risky ventures that quickly bleed them dry. Products. High-end real estate might seem like a solid investment, but winners often buy expensive properties without considering market fluctuations, hidden costs, or long-term maintenance, leading to massive losses. Products. Enticed by the promise of quick returns, winners might over-leverage their assets, taking out massive loans or putting all their eggs in one basket, multiplying risk exponentially. Products. Often, red flags are ignored. The lure of quick money blinds them to obvious dangers, like advisors with no credentials or investment opportunities that sound too good to be true. Products. Point number 4. Uncontrolled, lavish spending. The sudden ability to buy anything can lead to an extravagant lifestyle that quickly burns through millions, without consideration for sustainability. Products. Many winners immediately purchase multiple luxury cars, failing to account for depreciation, maintenance, insurance, and the sheer cost of keeping such a fleet. They quickly become money pits. Products. A grand mansion may seem like a dream, but the upkeep can be astronomical. Taxes, utilities, staff salaries, and constant repairs quickly consume a significant portion of their winnings. Products. Luxury travel, private jets, extravagant parties, and expensive toys might offer fleeting happiness, but these experiences are financially draining and offer no long-term security. Products. The concept of a budget seems irrelevant when you have millions. However, without actively tracking income and expenses, even an infinite amount of money will eventually run out. Products. Feeling generous or pressured, winners can give away enormous sums to friends and family. While well-intentioned, these gifts often come without proper financial planning, depleting their own reserves. Products. Luxury items like cars, boats, and even private planes rapidly lose value. Winners often fail to grasp this, seeing these purchases as investments rather than depreciating assets. Products. Even with substantial winnings, many fall into the trap of using credit to maintain their lavish lifestyles, accruing massive debts that eventually become insurmountable. Products. Point number 5. Damaged relationships with friends and family. Money changes dynamics, revealing true intentions and often shattering previously strong bonds due to envy, expectations, or arguments. Products. Former friends often approach with requests for loans or gifts, sometimes feeling entitled to a share of the winnings. Saying no can lead to conflict, while saying yes can deplete funds. Products. More complex than friends, family members often feel they deserve a portion of the winnings. Inheritance disputes, past grievances, and unspoken expectations all surface, causing deep rifts. Products. To escape the demands of old relationships, winners might surround themselves with a new entourage, often made up of superficial individuals interested only in their money. This can be isolating. Products. The constant pressure and betrayal can lead to a profound loss of trust in others, making genuine relationships impossible. Winners become suspicious of everyone's motives. Products. Disputes over money, often with estranged family or opportunistic ex-partners, can escalate into costly legal battles, draining both financial resources and emotional well-being. Products. Often, winners have no experience navigating the complexities of large sums, making them easy prey for manipulation or inadvertently causing rifts through clumsy handling of various expectations. Products. The sudden financial power reverses long-standing roles within families. A child might now support parents, or a spouse becomes the primary breadwinner, leading to resentment and conflict. Products. Point number 6. Complete lack of long-term financial planning. The assumption of endless money prevents winners from considering retirement, legacy, or future unforeseen expenses, which inevitably arise. Products. With their newfound wealth, the idea of needing to save for retirement seems absurd. This short-sightedness often means they've blown through their winnings long before old age, leaving them destitute. Products. The complexities of estate planning are often ignored. Without a will or trusts, the remaining fortune can get tied up in legal battles, or distributed contrary to the winner's intentions. Products. The purchasing power of money erodes over time due to inflation. Without investing wisely, a lump sum can be significantly less valuable in a decade or two, further eroding wealth. Products. Life's unexpected turns, health crises, natural disasters, economic downturns necessitate an emergency fund. Many winners fail to establish one, leaving them vulnerable to life's unforgiving blows. Products. Without specific financial goals, paying off a mortgage, funding education, creating a passive income, the money becomes aimless, a tool for immediate gratification rather than security. Products. Many lottery winners lack an exit strategy, a plan for how and when they will extract themselves from their wealth and return to a semblance of normal life, or manage their legacy. Products. While philanthropy is noble, haphazard charitable giving can deplete funds without maximum impact. Strategic planning ensures generosity benefits causes and offers tax advantages. Products. Point number 7. Overgenerosity without boundaries. While sharing is natural, an unchecked desire to help everyone often leads to financial ruin. Giving away too much too fast is a common trap. Products. Many winners give out large, unconditional gifts to friends and family, without considering the implications. These aren't loans to be repaid, but direct transfers that permanently reduce their net worth. Products. What starts as a loan to a loved one often becomes a gift that's never repaid. The embarrassment or sheer inability to repay puts a strain on the relationship and on the winner's finances. Products. Winners often find themselves inadvertently supporting the lavish lifestyles of others, paying for their cars, homes, or vacations, rather than building their own sustainable wealth. Products. Many winners struggle to say no. The desire to please, or the fear of appearing selfish, makes them acquiesce to every request, quickly turning them into an open bank. Products. Constant giving can inadvertently create a dependency among recipients, who then learn to rely on the winner's generosity rather than developing their own financial independence. Products. For public winners, every move is scrutinized. Media attention, public expectations, and constant requests for interviews or appearances add immense psychological pressure. Products. Winners often surrender their private lives. Every decision, every purchase, every trip becomes fodder for public discussion, stripping them of their personal space and peace. Products. The tragic reality for most lottery winners isn't a lack of money, but a lack of preparedness, education, and perspective. It's a powerful reminder that true wealth is built on knowledge, not luck. Products. Don't let the siren song of sudden wealth derail your financial future. Subscribe to Freedom Wealth Lab for more insights into building lasting prosperity and debunking money myths. Next part tomorrow.